welcome back for another episode in NATI'S Vegan Kitchen. Alright, so before it's the end of Thanksgiving and we're running out of time with all the pumpkin-y type recipes, or at least, you can eat pumpkin anytime. It just feels right during Thanksgiving time, so I've come up with a super delicious, very creamy pumpkin and cheese pasta. If you like gluten-free, then just swap out the pasta for some gluten-free pasta, and if you don't, then go with the normal. So this is actually a pretty quick to make pasta. The sauce is very creamy. I like to make the cheese sauce first, then mix it with the pumpkin sauce, and it comes out so thick, so creamy. Just make sure, the only thing that'll take some time is just make sure that you soak your cashews. It takes about 30 minutes really is what I like to do with some hot water and a cup of cashews. Put them in a bowl, soak them in the hot water, and leave them for about 30 minutes, and they come out in the just about right consistency for the creaminess. If you have the time, or if you think about it and you've pre-planned your meal, then just go ahead and soak the cashews overnight, and it'll be super good. I think it's that time of year again where, you've got your Christmas tree up, maybe, I do. You've got your Christmas tree up, you've got cozy evenings, and you just want to stay at home. So this time of year, I really like to eat pasta because it's just that lazy, easy, cozy, comforting meal. And this one is kind of different than what you normally eat. The Alfredo sauce, the red marinara sauce, the arrabbiata sauce, the puttanesca sauce, whatever. There's so many different kinds, but this one is really good, and it's kind of different, like a mac and cheese, but this one is pasta, and it's really good. Hey friends, so let's get to cooking some creamy pumpkin and cheese pasta. So, is it as creamy as I promised? You know it is. If there are any other pastas that you guys would like me to veganize or to create something that's been your favorite, let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to stay connected and you want to share some of the pictures when you make these, please, 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 please share them with me. I really want to see what you guys are doing. Then follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the details down below. And I can't wait to cook with you guys next time. Adios!